Welcome to Faris' Kids Lab. Hello guys, welcome to Faris' Kids Lab. Mama, come on. Come on.
Hello guys. Maybe today you're not gonna recognize us with this just funky hair.
Why would you want us to just show like this?
Because we're gonna talk about static electricity today.
Okay, so we're totally in a new style today. What else you want to tell your friend about?
Right, the Van de Graaff.
Van de Graaff, okay, but do you have a surprise for them first?
Yeah.
What is the surprise?
Come on, boy.
Come on. Hello, Leo. You're welcome to Faris' Kids Club. What's your name?
Leo.
Leo, why you're here? What we're gonna do today?
What are we gonna talk about, boy? What are we gonna talk about?
Louder, louder.
Dito.
Electricity.
Static electricity? You know something about static electricity?
What does
Okay.
static electricity do?
It makes your hair stand.
Exactly. Good job.
Wow. So Faris, what we have here today?
Today we're gonna have so much fun with Leo and Mama. Can you guess what this is?
Static electricity machine.
What is this? Tell me.
You're very close.
What is
a
this?
This is a Van de Graaff generator.
A Van de Graaff generator?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it produces static electricity.
Wow, I've never seen it before.
Leo,
did you see that before? The Van de
Lilo.
Graaff, or this is your first time?
This is my first time.
This is your first time? Okay.
Lilo, do you know anything about static electricity?
No.
No, so now Faris today he's gonna learn, okay? He's gonna teach you about static electricity today, okay, Leo?
Today this.
Yeah, now we're gonna start.
Guys, you have no idea what's gonna happen to Mama.
Why you just make me stand here on this plastic box?
Because that plastic box is an insulator, and insulators don't conduct electricity. So if it was metal, it would give you an electric shock. So if anybody wants to use the Van de Graaff generator, please stand on a plastic box or anything that doesn't have metal.
Okay. I'm gonna stand here now. Okay. What I'm gonna do now?
Put your hand on it.
Put my hand on it, but you said this is electricity. I'm so scared what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have electric shock?
Nope.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm a scientist.
Nothing happened.
3, 2, 1.
Shake it.
Oh, I feel something weird.
Come on, shake your head.
Shake your head.
Come on,
Stand here, stand
shake it.
Your head.
Shake.
What's happened? What's happened?
I'm gonna.
What's happened? Show me.
Look,
Show me. What happened, guys? Just please.
look in the mirror.
Oh my God, I look like this.
It looks like a static.
Shake it more. How is it now?
It looks like a static electricity bomb went on your head.
Really?
Yeah.
I can hear electricity, Faris.
Yeah, I can also hear.
Shake it.
Should I turn it
And I
off or
feel
no?
something weird. Just go.
Should I turn it off or no?
Yes, please.
Okay. Keep your hand on it.
Do I look funny?
Do I look funny?
Look.
How do I look?
You look.
Oh my God.
You were looking even crazier.
Crazy? Do I look crazy, really?
Yeah.
Is it funny?
It looks like a static electricity bomb went on your head like this.
Oh my God. You know? Okay, guys, now it's Leo's turn, and now you can see what's gonna happen to him. Let's
Lilo. Okay. Okay. Now
Okay.
put your hand
Put your hand, Leo.
in 3, 2,
1.
bang. Shake it. Oh, it's starting.
Shake your hair, Leo.
Lilo, shake it. Shake it. Keep shaking it. Keep shaking. Like this. Little. Like this. Oh my god.
Wait.
Should I turn it off? Tell me when I will turn it off.
Leo, now you look like crazy one.
Okay, should I turn it off?
No. Keep it.
When I say take, hi. When I say take your hand off, take your hand off, okay?
Yeah. Show me now. Oh my God! Now you look like a crazy one.
Show me. In the mirror.
You want to see in the mirror? See. See how you look.
You want to turn it off now? When I say take your hand off, take your hand off, okay? Should I turn it off and take your hand off?
Okay. Theo.
Ouch. Say, Peter, do this.
Papa, he's standing.
From here. Yeah. And now it's Faris's turn. Yeah. Let's call Faris.
Come here, boy.
Come on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, on.
I feel like I'm surrounded by a force field.
Shake your hair, shake your hair, shake your hair, shake your hair. Come on. Oh, electricity is everywhere.
Look at my hair. I'm gonna do something.
Actually, your hand and your hair are repelling.
Yep, they have the same
Really?
charge.
So now all your body just have same charge.
Yep.
See how your hair and hair are repelling. Oh my God, you should look at your hair from here, from back.
Show me. I want to see my hair.
See. Faris, look at yourself.
I see myself that I'm wobbly. It's not on my face. What?
See how you look like? Also your hair from back. Oh my God, you can see?
I'm looking like a genie. As you can see, my hair was standing more than Leo's because curly hair always sticks together and straight hair is always separated. Inside the Van de Graaff generator, there is a motor that turns a silicone roller, which makes a rubber belt start to move. As the belt starts to move, electrons transport from the rubber belt to the silicone roller, causing the belt to become positively charged and the roller to become negatively charged.
Okay, Faris, just I want to ask you,
Yeah.
why does that happen to my hair when I touch the
Because-
Van de Graaff?
Van de Graaff, your hair had the same type of charge, so they try and repel each other. So when they're trying to repel, they stand up.
Oh, okay. So just, oh my God. You know, Van de Graaff, it's a really nice demonstration of
Yeah.
static electricity,
Yeah.
actually. Just, I'm gonna say it shortly,
Yeah.
just to see if I understand or not, okay? So if I place my hand on that sphere while the generator is working,
Yeah.
is charging,
Yeah.
so the electric charges accumulating on that sphere,
Yeah.
they're gonna move onto my body,
Yeah.
okay, as they are repelled from each other,
Yeah.
from the other charges, right?
Yeah,
Ah, okay. Got it.
that's right.
What are you doing? Why you're not here with us?
He's drawing.
You're drawing now?
How can I rock move?
Rock move.
Now I'm gonna make lightning out. Let me explain.
Yeah. What you're drawing?
Atom.
Atom?
So these are the protons and neutrons, which are heavier, so they're in the center.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna make the electrons, which are the lighter, looser particles.
Okay.
And on the outskirts of the atom.
Okay. And what are the charges of them?
The charges of them, the protons and neutrons are positive,
Yeah.
and the electrons are negative.
So that's how they keep attracting to each other, because in the center we have positive charge, and in the round outside we have a negative charge, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And what does connect about lightning? Why you should explain about lightning now? Okay, Faris, what's the connection between static electricity and lightning?
They're like a magnet, and they're so far away. So how would they reach? So the negative charge makes a lightning bolt to reach.
Ah, okay. So that's why lightning is static electricity.
Yeah.
Okay, got it now.
Now it's fun part.
Okay, what is the fun part, Faris? See. Faris, why do they fly like this?
Because each of them has the same type of charge, and when you put a magnet on the same type of charge, what does it do? Does it repel or go make magnet?
Same type of charge, actually, they are repelling.
Like this.
Yeah.
This is a magnet. You think these are magnets? They're both on north. Do they magnetize or repel?
Repel.
Yeah.
Ah, so that's why. Because they have same type of charge.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
I hope you all enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and Faris Lab.
Don't forget to subscribe to Faris' Curious Lab.
Welcome to Faris' Curious Lab.